Like and subscribe my channel and share with those guys who want to learn SD-WAN. Thank you so much.
So I was checking the duplicate packet thing, na packet duplication. Now, when I'm applying this policy,
Mhm.
it is showing me this error since yesterday.
Yeah, I told you that vSmart should have the template. So template will attach with vSmart. This is a precondition that template should be there before any policy update. Can you go to the template?
On vManage.
Yeah, yeah. Not go to template, yeah. There's a precondition. Your vSmart should have the template. Then only you will be able to apply the policy. Yeah, go to template. So there is no template. You need to create one template for the vSmart first. Then you will be able to apply the policies. That is a condition, mandatory condition. No version it will ask. Only you need to select vSmart. Basically, it is asking for which device you are creating the template. We need to select the vSmart, VS, CSR, ISR, VH100, VH2000. So that's something we need to define. According to that, it will show you the form because every form is different.
Okay. We are not using any of these as of now. So factory default everything.
Yeah, factory default, but some template you need to change like VPN 0, VPN interface. Those are not be factory default. Those are will be you need to create because vManage does not know that which interface you are using for the connectivity. You need to define
VPN. Now where is? I mean, do I have to create
template,
a
create
template?
template.
VPN interface.
Yeah, and for VPN 0 also because one default route you need to put there, right? Because vManage does not know that how your setup is, your physical setup. That setup it is asking for.
Basic information. Shutdown. What shutdown?
What template you are creating?
And it asks for VPN. Give me
No,
one
no.
second.
You are
Primary.
creating a template for interface.
Yes.
So it is
Now
asking for the interface
VPN
as
interface. Yes. This is what I'm doing. When I do it, I don't see anything here. That means I'll have to create one, right?
well. Right, correct.
When I create it, it asks me all this.
Yeah. So
Means
you are creating the template for the
VPN interface.
vSmart interface. So you change the name also. If you will keep the same name, how you will troubleshoot that which template having which information. So vSmart template underscore VPN 0 interface name, whatever is convenient for you to identify.
Interface.
That name at least you should keep here.
Now it is asking for this shutdown. What
Yeah.
interface shutdown or what?
Correct, correct. Actually, it is asking for you are create whatever template you are creating, it will ask the information related to that template. So right now you are creating template for interfaces. So it is asking that you want to keep it shut down, yes or no. So
No.
obviously you will not keep it. Yeah. So select that global and then select no. Okay. Then interface name.
Interface name
Yeah.
global 00. Interface vSmart is my 00 is in Ethernet. Ethernet 1 is the VPN 0, right?
Right, right.
88 0 is the 88 0 is
No, each one you will use, na?
yes, that's what I'm saying. But I don't have ETH1 here.
No, you need to type. It will give you general information. You can type each
You
one.
cannot type anything. I think. Okay, I can type. Okay. Description global VPN 0. IP configuration. I already have an IP here, right?
Your IP already here on your vSmart configuration, but you are creating a template now, right? So vMan is not fetching information from vSmart. You are putting the information from the template to the vSmart.
Configuration global IPv6 नहीं है.
No, you don't need to touch that one. Yeah.
Tunnel
Done.
interface. Yes, it is. It is a tunnel interface, right?
Right.
Color is again what?
No color. On
No
vSmart,
color.
we don't define any colors. Yeah.
Allow service.
All you can put all, globally all.
Advanced options.
And that is different thing. You don't need to.
Carrier. ARP.
Wow. Yeah, that's
That's fine. Speed. Save. Please fill. Okay, I have done it.
yeah. Now you need to create VPN 0 template also. Not VPN 512 is also mandatory, and VPN 0 template also mandatory. You need to go to edit again. No,
Edit.
yeah, edit, yeah, and create the VPN 0 and 512 interface. That is mandatory.
VPN 0 template interface I have created. Now I need
Right.
to do it the same for VPN
No,
512, right?
see, Jant, you have created the template for the VPN 0 interface. I am
Yes.
asking for the VPN 0, not interface. This one, yeah. Here you need to define the default route as per your config. That's the reason I am saying that you should have the your vSmart configuration handy, so that you will not miss anything and you go step by step. And otherwise your vSmart template will be fail, because when the connectivity will go down with the controllers, it will revert the template.
Okay, so I'm following whatever I have in my vSmart, right?
Yeah.
So what is, okay, I'll go with VPN 0. Name it VPN 0. I haven't named it. So do I have, if I name it here, does it make any difference?
No,
It
no,
will
no.
override only, right?
Yeah, it will override.
Primary DNS, I have not configured it anything. So I can leave it, right?
Yeah.
IPv4 route. So I can add a route global.
Like and subscribe my channel and share with those guys who want to learn SD-WAN. Thank you.